everybody. Okay, so I've got a super simple, really quick tutorial about how you can come onto our Wazzoodle Fabric website and leave us a Google 5-star review. Okay, so this is our homepage. Right down here in the lower right-hand corner, you're gonna see this green talk bubble icon. You're gonna click on that, and that's gonna open up a few options for you. You're gonna scroll down to the bottom where it says select another topic. Click that. And then from there, you're going to scroll down a little bit more and go to coupons and special offers. And then the very first thing you're going to see is that leave a 5-star Google review. And it says you're going to get $10 code for a coupon for doing it. So you click on that. It's going to tell you a little bit about the review, and right underneath the text, the top button says write a Google review. You click that, and it's going to take you to the actual review page. Click on the last star, that gives 5 stars. And then in here, you're just going to give your message, whatever that might be. So I'm going to say, I love working for Wazzoodle. Okay. And then another thing you can do here, if you like, if you have on your computer or your mobile that you're doing this from, you can upload some of your creations. We would love to see your photo. So you can add a photo here too if you would like. So then you just click post. Thank you for your review. Done. Boom. Right there we have everything we need with that. We're just going to go back to the home page real quick. And then we're going to click on send us a message. And what we need from here is the actual link. So right here it says my review, I love working for Wazzoodle, and it says like or share. So if you click on that share button, it's going to give you a link. Copy the link, go back to the home page, and click on send us a message. And right here at the very top is where you put that link. So you're just going to paste that in. And then you just have to do a few extra things. Like if you have a company name, you're going to add that. If not, no big deal. And then you're going to add a message if you like. We're just going to say, would like my $10 coupon code, please. Okay. And then we will get back to you via email. So you're going to go ahead and click that. Boom. So now we, in our customer service inbox, have exactly what we need from you. We have the actual link to the review you just left. So what we do is we go in, we take a look at the review, and then from there we respond to you, and we give you the coupon code. And what you do is when you go to, let's X out of here, when you go to check out, let's see if I can show this. All right, let's put in performance fabric here. So we're going to do a swatch of this, and we're going to add to cart. Okay, and we're going to view cart. All right. Okay, and then we're just going to check out. All right, and right here, right under where you see what you're actually buying, you're going to see this little area that says discount code or gift card. And that's where you would enter the code that we provide you with to get that $10 off of your purchase. And it's really just as simple as that. Super easy. And the thing about the 5-star reviews, yes, it helps us as a company to place higher in search results. It helps us to be seen more by people who are local to us and a number of other fancy schmancy technical things. Yes, it does that. But what we really want them for is so that the new people to Wazzoodle can take a look at your experience and feel confident in their purchase. You know, kind of get some insider tips, tricks, reality, if you will, of the fabric so that they know they're doing the right thing and picking the right fabric. That's what we really care about, is that the community talks to each other and helps you to like expand. So that's everything. Super simple, Google 5-star review. Any questions, leave them below in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you around. And as always, happy making.